Transfer money with Xoom using a PayPal service is simple to do. What you want to do is download it. First, you want to go to your app and hit download. You want to download this app right here. I'm not going to allow it to notifications and stuff. I don't like those notifications. But what you want to do, you can either sign up or log in with your PayPal. I'm going to log in with my PayPal and just enter your email address or whatever, or however you log on to your PayPal. And once you do that, you just go through the steps. It's really easy to do. As you can see, I'm logging on here to my PayPal. I'm gonna hit send money. And when I hit the send money, this right here have about 130 different countries. If I didn't count wrong, there's 130 different countries on this list. So we're gonna pick one. I'm gonna scroll through, I'm gonna pick Germany. And once you pick the country you wanna send it to, it's gonna ask you to enter the amount, and I'm gonna hit $20 and it will automatically convert it for you. And you notice that it charges a rate of $4.99 per transaction. And you hit continue. And once you hit continue, it's gonna take you to this page right here. It's gonna say it's gonna take 2 days to get into the bank or business. So you hit continue and you click the bank that person have. So I'm gonna just scroll through here and pick, since it's going to Germany, I'm gonna pick the Deutsche Bank. And you hit continue. It's gonna ask for the IBAN number. That's the international bank account number. And once you enter that, that's it. And you continue through the process and the other side will receive it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.